In a global manufacturing, leverage does not belong to the loudest negotiator. It belongs to the most predictable buyer. Many Western executives believe power comes from aggressive negotiation. In reality, power comes from integration. The buyer who becomes part of the factory's planning model gains more leverage than the buyer who negotiates the hardest discount. And the difference changes who wins under pressure. Let's break it down. Predictability reduces risk. Well, factories think in risk terms. Risk of idle capacity, delayed payments, order cancellation, demand volatility. A buyer who provides stable forecasting, consistent volume, payment discipline reduces factory risk. Education equal priority. Priority equals leverage. Integration changes internal planning. When a buyer is long-term and stable, something powerful happens. The factory begins integrating that buyer into capacity allocation, raw material purchasing, staffing decisions, investment planning. Now the buyer is not external. They are part of the internal model. This is structural leverage. It is invisible, but it is powerful. Opportunistic buyers stays peripheral. Short-term buyers push for discount. Change volume suddenly. Switch supplies quickly. Factories categorize them as flexible revenue. Flexible revenue is useful, but never protected first. Under stress, flexible revenue moves down the ladder. Integrated revenue is protected. That's the hierarchy most executives never see. Leverage is built before negotiation. Executives often think negotiation builds leverage. Well, wrong. Behavior builds leverage. Consistency builds leverage. Reliability builds leverage. By the time you enter negotiation, your position is already defined by months before behavior. That's why two buyers negotiating the same product receive different outcomes. Their structural weight is different. Leverage is not extracted in one meeting. It is accumulated over time. In global manufacturing, power is quiet. It builds gradually. And executives who understand structural integration rarely need to negotiate aggressively because the system already favors them. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel. Until next time with our new topic. Bye.